So the name that would be most interesting to me here would probably be PENG. If you're looking to do a trade in PENG, let me see a little bit more of where that unusual option activity is. You can see a lot more in the open interest here compared to here. Let's go to July. This is a cool trade, guys. If you want to do a trade, you can do the 60-75 vertical call spread, where we're buying the 60s. Say we do it for the last trade, 720, and we sell 75s for 4. That's 320 of risk. $320 of risk buying the 60s, PENG, selling the 75s. $320 of risk, and then you can make $1,180, $1,180 potential profit if PENG continues to trade higher and gets up to that 75 strike. So again, 60-75 vertical call spread, buying the 60s, selling the 75s. We have 51 days, $320 of risk with the potential to make $1,180. Kind of a cool trade. We see it on our unusual option activity scanner. It hasn't really moved just yet. So that's a very cool trade that I'm happy to share with you guys right now. If you guys want to see that again, just watch that back. No reason to rush in. The tool's also going to tell us the most active bullish call flow. It's also going to tell us the most active bearish put flow. And again, we have a community that we're going to be talking about these trades throughout the day. So whenever anything pops up, you'll see people in our community, which if I pull up right now, is probably pretty active. Here's Jim talking about that QUBT trade earlier. QUBT, they're talking about Wolf, they're talking about NN, they're talking about the Chaikin money flow. Okay, so that is the community.